Well, today across the state, we saw clear skies from start to finish, and even with a blustery wind out of the northwest, we still managed to get temperatures into the upper 50s and lower 60s, making it feel very comfortable out there. Today in Plymouth, we did hit a high of 57 degrees and a low around 30, so it was a little chilly as you woke up and got the kids off to school and got to work this morning. Today, this is a shot from Shawnee Peak. You can actually see Mount Washington off in the distance there. Beautiful skies out there. Mount Washington reported 130-mile visibility with views off into Vermont and New York today, so just a great day for skiing and riding up the slopes. Across the region, we saw partly cloudy skies with highs in the mid-teens. As we head into the end of the work week, you can expect more of the same with temperatures hanging in the mid-teens with lows below zero for many towns. Saturday for the first half of your weekend, expect some light snow and snow showers to be around, only minor accumulations expected. There are a few sprinkles over Coos County back into western Maine. For our area though in Plymouth, not seeing anything hitting the ground right now, but as we head into the evening hours, don't be too surprised if we do see a sprinkle out there. So as you look back off towards the west into Pennsylvania and New York, you can see where they've had clear skies all day long, helping push those temperatures into the 60s and 70s, where they were able to see some very nice conditions throughout the day. And I do have some good notes to speak of where we will see some very nice weather around the area for early next week. Just have to push through the next few days with some of those clouds and showers around. That storm system over the Carolinas will continue to push off towards the east, and the storm system over the Great Lakes will actually dive south, missing our area, sparing us from any heavy precipitation, and push off the coast as well. Your Thursday night, expect clouds early, then some clearing taking place, which will help temperatures drop into the lower 30s, with a low of around 32 degrees here in Plymouth. Winds will be west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. As we take a look at your extended forecast, you can see dealing with those showers through the day tomorrow, and by Friday, I am expecting a couple spots of sun early in the morning before increasing clouds again, highs only making it to 50 that day. On Saturday, I do expect that to be a mostly sunny day, however, temperatures only making it into the lower 50s, and by Sunday, we are starting to see some clouds start to increase, so partly sunny skies through the day and mostly cloudy as we head into the evening hours. By Monday, we're dealing with our next chance of precipitation with highs making. Taking a look at current temperatures right now, 12 degrees here in Portland, 9 degrees in Wiscasset, and already 7 degrees back in Lewiston. So it is cold out there tonight, so bundle up if you do have to be out there, especially when you factor in the wind. -3 for a wind chill in Portland already, -3 in Freiburg. And as you head off into the northern mountain regions, -45 degrees for a wind chill on Mount Washington right now. So a very chilly night with those winds whipping around out there. Therefore, the National Weather Service has issued a wind chill warning for northern and mountain areas. In Plymouth today, we saw a high of 66 degrees. Normally we're at 65, so this is at about average for this time of year. And our low this morning was 55 degrees, so quite a bit warmer than where we should be. Also, those humidity values were high last night, making it a little uncomfortable as you made your way to bed last night. Tomorrow, you can expect this weather maker to be entering our region. This is an Arctic cold front that will bring the chance for some light snow and snow showers into tomorrow night. Only minor accumulations expected with this one. Storm Tracker helps us pinpoint where those clouds and snow showers will be through the day tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, we're starting out with temperatures in the mid to lower teens, much warmer than they have the last few mornings around our area. And as we head through the day on Saturday, you can expect clouds and snow showers to start increasing west to east, and a stiff southwest wind will have developed by this time too. The mid-coast regions are warming into the mid to upper 30s, so I do expect a transition to rain for those areas, staying snow back off to the west. And as we head into the day on Sunday, expect clearing conditions with steady through the day, and again, those winds still north-northwest at 15 miles an hour. And with those windy conditions and very dry conditions, the National Weather Service in gray has issued a red flag warning until this evening for almost all of New Hampshire, excluding Grafton and Coos counties, where conditions are prime for forest fires and small brush fires. So if you are doing any burning outside today of those fallen limbs from this past winter, please do be mindful that the smallest ember could start any of those fires. And off towards the north in Coos County, the Connecticut River is currently at flood stage and will remain at flood stage until Friday evening. So if you have any travel plans that take you into the North Country, please do be mindful of this. Temperatures across the area, though, southern New Hampshire, places like Jaffrey off into Hollis, Nashua, and the seacoast of New Hampshire did make it into the mid-60s. And as you headed north on I-93 back towards the White Mountains and up into the North Country, we only saw temperatures making it into the upper 40s and mid-50s for those areas. So there was quite a contrast of temperatures from south to north. Heading into Sunday night into Monday, expect another period of light snow with only minor accumulations again possible that day. Now, snow accumulations for tomorrow into tomorrow night, a dusting to an inch from Portland to Lewiston to Augusta, but as you head further back into the White Mountains of New Hampshire and the western Maine mountains, expecting 1 to 3 inches, and northern Maine could see up to 3 to 6 inches. That will be because of the storm strengthening as it begins to pull away from our region with those higher accumulations in northern Maine. Well, today across the state of New Hampshire, we saw mostly sunny skies to start out the day. However, as we did progress into the afternoon hours, we saw those clouds increase from west to east, and this trend will continue into the overnight hours, with rain making its way into the area this evening. Today, though, before those clouds rolled in, we saw a high of 58 degrees, and this is normally where we should be for this time of